Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? How you doing, how you doing? Okay, clearly I'm being extra because this is a nail video and I'm acting like I ain't never had nails before. Okay, you guys, so if you don't know and you're new to my channel is baddie of all trades type of vibes, meaning I mostly do everything myself, and one of those things that I do is nails. I also always on my channel have fashion, hair, makeup, all of that good stuff. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video, you get a notification. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure that you share this video with your friends. These nails are all about Halloween, so these are Halloween-esque nails, you guys. I actually love how they came out. So if you want to see how I did these, make sure you continue to watch. But what do you think about my new nose cuff? Like, I'm trying to get used to it. I probably should put a stud. Anyway, let's get into the nail tutorial, you guys. Okay, you guys, so these are how the first nails look. So we're gonna of course do them together on the other side. I actually really love how these came out. They're super sleek and cute, but also giving you that Halloween vibe, and that's what I'm going for. So every time that you do polygel nails, you want to start with the base gel. Now I do use tips for my polygel. I don't like the forms because I like the nails to be nice and thick. So I already did my tips and my cuticles and all of that. So I'm just hopping in with the base gel. So after you put in the base gel, you're going to have to go ahead and cure it. Honestly, with polygel, every time you do a step, you have to cure it. I've done this in several nail videos before, but just in case you're new and this is the first video of mine that you're seeing me do, I usually speed these videos up, but I've actually decided to do it slower. Maybe it'll help you see better or learn better. I feel like my nail videos seem to move too fast. So when you're doing the polygel, you want to pack it in, and I do use a slip solution, and you just want to keep packing it in until it's nice and smooth. And because this is going to be an ombre, you don't have to necessarily cover the whole nail with that natural pink color. And all of my polygel colors are from Makartt. So I'm also going back in with on my pinky, or going in, not back in, I'm going in on my pinky, and then that first step you're going to cure it. Well, once that's cured, you move to the next color, and my next color is going to be orange. Now I learned while using this black, because this black is a different brand, you have to have like the other color that was going to go over underneath it. It tends to make it look more black, which is super weird, but I've noticed that just about this gel. So I'm going with this orange, and I'm just going to, you know, blend it out. When you're doing it, you want to make sure the top blends out, and then you're going to scrape off whatever is extra, as you can see me doing now. Whatever is extra, then you just scrape that off and just put it to the side on the napkin or whatever like that. Okay, so then you're gonna, of course, cure that. It's really repetitive, so then I'm just gonna go on with the black. As you can see, that black is looking a lot darker. I wish you had seen, I think I have an old video of it, or I used it before and I didn't put the video out because I was like, this black doesn't look good. But now I'm noticing like how to do it right. I wanted to look a lot more black than like that grayish color. I wanted to look like that smoky kind of ombre out, which is like a Halloween-esque kind of look in my opinion, or whatever. So yeah, that's how that looks. Of course we're going to do another layer, and those are how the other nails look. And then you're going to go in, ooh, excuse me you guys, you're going to go in and you're going to do a second layer of that. Okay, so that's what you see me doing right now. I'm doing my second layer of each of the colors for the nail, and that was all I put because, you know, the nails are overlapping, so they're going to get, the colors are overlapping, so they're going to get thick easier. And then you cure it, so you cure each step, of course. And then now I'm going to go in with the orange and do the same thing. You always want to pat it in, pat it up, pat it up. No, but like seriously, just pat it in. Pat it in, not pat it. I don't know what I'm saying. And then cure it again. and then you move on to the next color after that, which will be the black. I'm gonna pat that in. Whatever's extra, make sure it blends in, because you're doing an ombre, you want it to look like a gradient effect. Alright, so sometimes I like to turn my finger around, and this just helps me blend it a lot more. I also want to make sure you guys can still see what I'm doing. So once I have that blended, of course, I just got to go ahead and cure that. And then, you didn't see me do this, but I did already do 2 layers on the clear polygel on this one. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Makartt nail rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to put that all over the nail, and this just helps whatever I use sticks, especially since I've been curing it so much for the other colors. I wanted to make sure that it would stick on, so I'm just using like this paintbrush, and I'm just kind of making sure it's nice and even. So now I'm taking this gold foil that I got from Amazon. Super amazing. I use it all the time. You can also even use this for makeup looks. But yeah, so I am just going to start patting it. As soon as you start patting it, it starts to crumble like real foil would do, but this is a lot more flimsy. So you just gotta brush it out and make sure it lands where you want it to land. I got a little bit on my finger, but you can get that off. You just have to kind of clean it off quickly. Don't cure it like that, because then you might not be able to get it off because the glue probably is on the side of your nail or whatever. So once I'm doing that, I'm just gonna pick it off and just pat it in and just get it to a place where I think it looks nice and cool, and it doesn't just look like a bunch of like balled up gold stuff. When you encapsulate it, it does look really, really cool though, you guys. So after that, I'm grabbing these little, I don't know what these are called, I guess decals, I don't know. Yeah, we'll call them decals. I got this from Amazon for like $5, and it has like gold. Each side is gold or black. So I'm using the black side because I want to bring out the black in my nails. And so I'm using like pumpkins, witches, bats, and stuff like that. This kind of thing that's in there. But they also have some girly stuff in it, like there's some dolphins and butterflies in there as well. But yeah, so after that, I'm taking the clear polygel again, and then I'm just gonna put that over all the nails. I already encapsulated one section, but I'm doing it on all the nails now. And that is going to like be my complete look. It's gonna make everything look glossier before I put in the top coat. And so what I'm gonna do is just gonna show you how I do that. And then I'm not going to show you the top coat and all of that kind of stuff. I will link another video down if you want to see how that works. But it's the same thing. You just put it on and you cure it. So we're just going to come back. And yes, these are the finished nails, you guys. I really, really love how they came out. I think they're super pretty. I think they're nice and sturdy, of course. And I just love them. So don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.